we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Nuwni 8 feet inflatable pool with slide and UV protection canopy. Consists of the following features. Private backyard water park. Transform your outdoor space into a summer water oasis. This Nuwni 8 feet inflatable pool comes with a safe, removable slide for endless splashing fun. It is the perfect backyard solution to encourage active, screen-free play for kids and toddlers all summer long. Reliable UV protection canopy. Play safely under the sun. Our pool features a detachable arched sunshade that provides effective UV protection. It keeps the water cooler and shields your family from direct rays, ensuring a shaded and comfortable environment for all-day outdoor enjoyment. Optimized space-saving size. Measuring 98 x 55 x 21 inch, this 8 feet pool is perfect for small backyards, patios, or balconies. We intentionally designed it without built-in seats to maximize the active swimming area, fitting 1 to 2 adults and 2 to 3 kids comfortably. Durable and skin-friendly PVC. Built for heavy-duty use, our pool is crafted from high-quality, thickened PVC material that is sturdy and gentle on skin. The leak-proof valves and smooth-edge construction provide a stable and worry-free splash zone for your children and pets. Easy setup and fast maintenance. Inflates in minutes with any standard electric pump, not included, and folds down compactly for easy storage. Its compact size makes it faster to fill, drain, and store compared to oversized models, ideal for quick backyard cooling or weekend trips. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.